At what3words, we've recently released our voice API, which means you can take any spoken 3-word address. Then you can hook that up into your app or any third-party app or service where you want to use that location. So what we've done is we've made an app for the Apple Watch. It's called 3WordGo, and it means you can book an Uber to and from any 3-word address just by speaking them into your watch. And we've done this because conventional addresses, you can't really type them into a watch very easily, or if you use the voice recognition, it's often confusing. There's similar or the same results that come up loads of times. With a 3-word address, you know that it's totally unique and it's accurate to 3 meters. So I've got the app here on my watch, and I can just go in here. Filled count soap, index home raft. And you can see that it then pulls up this booking confirmation screen. It's got the pickup at the top, the drop off here. The Uber is going to be here in 4 minutes, costs £6, and then I can just hit confirm ride. It then plugs into the Uber API and will book me that ride. So this is 3WordGo for Apple Watch. It's the what3words voice API, and please enjoy.